Hi everybody, Andrew Cherin, attorney at law here. I'm a Seattle personal injury lawyer and I represent people who are injured in car accidents. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the whole process of what to expect when you hire a personal injury lawyer. So I want to start out with when you come in and meet me and we figure out there's a good case and you sign up with me, liability is clear, or I figure it out and I figure you're the one that was injured and it was the other person's fault, then I take the case. And I kind of console you in the whole meeting of what to expect. And so in this situation, I kind of want to tell you like what the whole process is and what to expect throughout the whole thing. So after a client comes to me and talks to me, we sign up. Then I figure out, liability is clear. Okay, it's clear. Is there insurance coverage on each side? Okay, insurance coverage, good. Then I just tell my client, I'm just like, hey, focus on healing, focus on your treatment and getting to everything that you need to do to get better. Let me deal with the insurance company. Let me stop those phone calls pressuring you to settle now and to stop treatment. And so then once the treatment's fully done, I'll be kind of periodically checking in with my client and say, hey, how you doing? Is treatment and everything going well? If it's not, then we'll try to figure out what's going on, how to pay for treatment, and go through all the options like that. I try to do that like once a month. And then once my client tells me they're all done with treatment, they're better, then I go out and get all the medical records that they've accumulated over the whole time period, and all the medical bills too. And I create a demand package and send that to the insurance company. Usually right after they're done treatment, right after my client's done with treatment, I go and get all those records. So within a couple days or a week or two, I have all the records and bills and I can send it out to the insurance company. Within 2 weeks of that, I'll get an offer from the insurance company usually. And then within a couple weeks after that, then I'll probably have the negotiations up to the point where we can figure out, do we need to file a lawsuit or are we going to accept this settlement? And I'll break all the numbers down to my client and let them know what they're actually going to get in their pocket, because that's the most important figure to look at, is what my client's going to get in their pocket. And it's always more money than I'm going to get in my pocket, my fee. My clients are never going to walk away with nothing. They're always going to get money in their pocket in some way, in some fashion. It's 99.9% of the time that's the case. They're going to walk away with something in their pocket, and it's going to be more money than me. I'm not going to take any more money than my client's going to get in their pocket. That's the bottom line. And so usually the whole process takes about 6 weeks, or a month until after they're fully done with treatment, to get money in their pocket. And so it's not really a slow turnaround as many people may think. So a lot of the times, you think of hiring a personal injury lawyer, you're going to need to go to trial. It's going to take years to get done with. That's not the case at all. It usually can, it just depends on how long it takes for my client to get done with their treatment. And then, a month or two after that, boom, done with the settlement, money in their pocket, and no medical bills that they have to deal with anymore, no lingering collection companies. They're done, their case is done, and they walk away happy. So the whole process just takes as long as it takes someone to heal, and it could be 6 months it takes to heal, 9 months after a car accident, it could be 3 months or a couple months, it just depends. But the whole process doesn't take as long as many people may think. And most of the time we don't need to file a lawsuit, but there are situations where it does require to file a lawsuit. But 95% of my cases that you don't need to file a lawsuit in. I offer free consultation, so if you have been in a car accident, give me a call. My number is 206-850-6716.